Welcome everyone, my name is Kunji and this is Cooking with Kunji. Tonight, I'm going to be doing something way different. Now when you see this meal, you're going to ask one question. Where's the meat? No meat. No meat. Tonight we're doing something vegan. I'm making curry cabbage. I've been doing a lot of curry lately. How is that? Curry cabbage. Of course I have my cabbage cut up. I have my ginger, garlic, and thyme right here. Curry, of course. Some allspice. Have some dough. I'm gonna make some Jamaican style boiled dumplings. And you know it, my booyah Jamaican seasoning from Reggae Spice. And fry a side of ripe plantains. I'm also gonna be boiling some yam. This is a white yam. This vegan recipe came about, you know, just by talking to somebody who watches my videos and they're like, they're vegan, so they probably felt a little left out. So just watch how I make this. Macaroni boy. Tonight, to make my curry, I'm gonna use my Dutch oven, and I'm gonna use 2 cans of coconut milk. This is Grace coconut milk. You can use any coconut milk. This is a really good quality coconut milk. I won't go as far as saying it's the best, but it's very good. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make my milk with my curry, my ginger, garlic, and thyme. Start to make that curry sauce for me. Then at the end, I'll put the veggies in and the cabbage. And that will be my curry cabbage. Watch this. So right now my curry cabbage is done. This is my first time making a completely vegan dish. So no animal products whatsoever. And this is my first time actually making curry cabbage. I'll go ahead and take a sample here. And I don't really like cabbage. This is really good. The curry flavor and the booyah seasonings just come together so well. Man. Thank you for watching this video today. Steps and ingredients are going to be in the description below. Don't forget, there's also going to be an affiliate link for reggae spice seasonings down in the description also. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm going to make this again.